my dad's pretty good at it. You can do a 2-on-2 one.
And
But
that's
I
why I'm going in the field and then.
Yep. It's working.
I never know really.
Hey, Bill, then we need to ask. How does the insect go down and shoot up?
I filmed one like mine, like you doing that.
Uh-huh.
It's like a helicopter flying over it, you know? It's pretty neat. This is what James is trying to build every time he see it. It's only been 10 years. He didn't realize that.